going to make this short and sweet because I don't really make these videos very often. I made a tool that hopefully can help you guys. It's completely free. There's no signups. I made it for myself personally, but I want to share it with you guys. So it's all right. So if you go to shinyhuntcards.com, you'll see a link in the description below. You can go to the PSA profit tool. This is going to allow you to select which set you're looking for it shows. So I definitely like 151, so I select that. We'll do some prismatic, we'll do some crowns, some surgery, scarlet, city in flame, stellar crown. And we'll just choose all of the real more modern sets. Stuff we're probably going to find a lot of at the shows. Now we have that, we're going to do our ungraded price. So I want to go as low as $1, and I want to do a max price. Let's just pay, I want to pay under $30 per card at the card show. So I'm going with a list. Look at the cards under $30, and I'm going to pay $19 for PSA grading. We are then going to start our search. As you can see, it is starting, and it will be running. While this is doing this, if you're doing multiple sets, it will take a while. So give it some time. But I will let this run, go grab a coffee, and get right back. And the results are in. So, what we can do now is we can take the ungraded price versus the PSA 10 price and do the profit. So this EV Master Ball, now we have to keep this in mind. This is going off of pricecharting.com. So if you pull up price charting on this one, you can see ungraded card for this EV or the Master Ball. It's only one sale per year on this one. So we can kind of take it with a grain of salt because a PSA 9 goes for, looks like $52.45, and then this one was sold for $900, which that could be inflated. So let's skip that first one. This doesn't happen often, but there is a chance to keep that in mind. So this one is $356, $347. This top one can be inflated, but I've seen some good ones. If you look on eBay, you can get them for like $200. You can buy them for $9 ungraded, and PSA 10 is $384. I did pick up some stuff today. I'll show you what I got. But I did pick up one of these guys. It's ungraded 14. I got mine for 16. I might have dropped them down a little bit. But it grades PSA 10 for $281. You can see where those prices have been. So looks like March 1st it sold for $365. So $281 might even be low. $341, $365 for this card. So if you know what you're looking for, you can possibly make some money on this, and I'll tell you how much money I will make if everything goes perfectly. I did pick up some scissors today, so $10, $187. Picked up some clefas today, $21. I got mine for $23-ish, and it's $184. I have a few glooms that I got today, 15 a piece, and then they sell for $172 after you grade them. What else did I get? Got a few of the card coming up. Infernape. So this Infernape was all over the place today. So I picked up 4 of them, and they're ungraded 19, PSA 10 161. And they all look like they're in good condition. So I'll show you what I got. So these are my pulls. This is what I got from the show today, and today I learned. So you can see those 2 scissors. You can see the on road. You can see the Zekrom. All of the stuff that you see here is on my list in the tops. So you can see that if we do well on our grading, and I actually did find some really good cards, that armor road is going to be about 250 profit. So let's just add a little calculator up. I think that's everything. I might have missed something, but if everything goes well, and I did everything I needed to do to get these PSA 10s, I will get $2,977, so almost $3,000 of profit. from this hack. Now there was no signups, there was nothing you had to pay for. I built it to get people to my website as well as to hopefully make finding cards at PUD shows more fun, more of a treasure hunt, and potentially profitable. If you learn how to grade cards, watch a lot of videos on YouTube. There's plenty of videos that show you how to do it. Um, and you could potentially make a lot of money. So we'll see how I do. I will make another video once I get my cards back from grading. I might also do another video on how to properly seal your cards for grading. Let me know if you guys want to see that. If you guys have any questions on how to use the app or something that I need to add to the app to make it more functional, let me know. If this is useful, please give a like and subscribe, which could greatly help out the channel. I want more people to know about this app, so they can go to the shows and hopefully find some cool stuff. But with that, thank you for everything. Hopefully I see you guys soon. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.